So in this Google Slides tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to add a new slide here in Google Slides here on the Google Slides mobile application. So once you have Google Slides open up on your device, simply just go into your project right here or your slideshow right here. Now if you wanted to add a new slide, it's very simple. Go to the bottom right and press on that rectangle with the plus. So in the bottom right, press on that right there. Now what you can do is actually add a whole bunch of different slides here. So if you wanted to add a blank slide, you can go to the bottom, press on blank. There's a title slide, section header, title and body, whatever the case may be. Find the slide that you want to add. So for demonstration purposes, we're going to go ahead and add a blank slide right here. So we're going to go to the bottom left to press on blank slide. And there you go. Now to go back and forth between the two slides here at the bottom, we are currently on slide number 2. But if you want to go to slide number 1, simply just press on slide number 1 right here. And now you're back on slide number 1. So that is how you guys can add a new slide here in Google Slides on the Google Slides mobile application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.